Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 26, Working with Quality Score. In Lesson 26, you would typically learn about quality score, which is a metric used in online advertising platforms like Google Ads. Here's a brief overview of what you might cover. 1. Definition. Quality score is a metric used by Google Ads to measure the quality and relevance of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. It's used to determine your ad rank and cost per click, CPC. 2. Factors affecting quality score. Google considers several factors when calculating your quality score, including click-through rate, CTR, of your ads, relevance of your keywords to the ad group, quality and relevance of your ad text, quality and relevance of your landing page, historical performance of your Google Ads account. 3. Importance. A high quality score can lead to lower CPCs and better ad positions. It's crucial for improving the overall performance and efficiency of your Google Ads campaigns. 4. Improving quality score. To improve your quality score, you can ensure your keywords are relevant to your ads and landing pages. Write compelling ad text that matches user intent. Improve your landing page experience by providing relevant, high-quality content. Monitor and optimize your campaigns regularly to improve CTR and overall performance. Understanding and optimizing your quality score is essential for achieving better results and maximizing the return on investment (ROI) of your Google Ads campaigns.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.